This is at Ohms. That's that thing that Banggood sent me. That thing works really good. I use that every day almost here. It's a very good item. It's cheap too. Banggood.com. Check them out. But I'm gonna show you something. It was a score at the auction sale. EK Magneto aluminum tag, the bigger one. That's a nice color. And the bottom of the Magneto, but it's going to have points. You know, them's not, well, yeah. I just consider on an EK Magneto put points in it and move on. And the back covers that polymetal. I'm not going to use that. And some gaskets. And well, it's got two back covers. I didn't notice that to just this right now, but it has a brass back cover and a hot metal. So, but the condition of it is really good, and it had a wrench on it there to maintain the magnetism, supposedly, but it looks good. So let's check the ohms on it, see if it's good in it. Well, we just gonna see if it's worth going further on it right now. And I got the meter on it right there, and I'm gonna probe one side and the other side. That's all I'm going to do is, you know, like I'll show you. Probe over here and a probe over here, and you look at the meter right there, and it should be like 8 or something. Well, I ain't getting nothing. Oh yeah, I got something now. It's corrosion on the end right there. I could feel it on there. It was kind of rough feeling. I got something down there now. Oh, that may be me. I was holding the end of the probe, and that'll influence your reading. Oh, it's evened out now. Yeah, see, we ain't got nothing. Okay, when I probed it halfway, okay, when I probed it halfway from over here to in there where that spring's at, okay, it's a 3.919. Okay, now to probe the other side, let's see. It's a 3.926 on this side. So now let's go back and do both of them. Okay, it's a 18.44. .9 0.00. So we have a good set of coils here. What we looked at. We've looked out on them coils right there. So we've got the correct reading, and it's corrosion on that contact right there. We'll have to take emery to it, I suspect, on both of them. But it's a very old, very early model EK, as indicated by this outlet, the tare. Well, actually, it's been worked on, so you really, but it's that breaker light stuff. Very early with the screwed in cloth covered wire, you know. And it had the felts and the gaskets and such. So I think that I think it'll be worth go ahead and fixing it. Yeah, I'll have to look down there. I see what the day it is there. March 10th, maybe. Man, look at them bees right yonder. Man. Even down there on Front Street. Look at them bees already congregating on the front of that middle hive. I'm going to have to get them hive moved in the next couple of days. I'll have to cut down a tree or two. I'm going to get it done. I'm about a month late, you know. You just have to deal with it. Maybe them bees won't hold it against me. Yeah. But I think that's a good sign right there. Maybe get ready for a swarm. I'm going to get in there maybe tomorrow if it don't rain again. And I got 2 more hives there. One's in the shop there being painted. We'll bust them out and move us a queen over, I guess. I mean, them bees out flying today, I'm not going to get over about them. I just go ahead and zoomed it in there, you know what I mean? Oh, them good lively bees right there. That's what I'm talking about. What rained this morning? And that's a small entrance right there. I got some of that diatomaceous earth in that pan in the bottom right there. It slides in from the back, you know, screened, kind of with a pan in there so it's closed up. But, oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well, yeah, we get a roof over them 2 forge blower assemblies there. I throw that vise down in the middle of the blower right there, hooked on to the side of that anvil stand I'm thinking about. Swage block. Yeah, we'll put that to use somehow. Now we got some coal in there on standby. We just get a roof. Now, you know what I mean? I was thinking about a real good idea. Is this one? Laid this, this is what we're up to now. This was kind of a committee decision, I hope, you know. But anyways, this is what working with layout on this blacksmith shop. Got the posts in the ground already. But it's only about 15 foot over them beehives, you know. Man, build a fire, a little blacksmith project. Smoke them bees, you know what I mean? If the wind's blowing in the right direction, man, that cold smoke on them bees, is that a good idea? That mixer assembled up there with them 2. That's them new siphons right there, them stainless steel, you know, handmade somewhere. I salvaged them out of parts engines there. Cleaned up real good. And we get some primer, Rust-Oleum paint on that mixer body right there. Well, I was thinking, oh, it's a nice day here in Middle Tennessee. film. From here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Hey, Shop Dog Sam. Hey, y'all, come on back. We'll do something else to one of these old Type M's. That's what I'm talking about right there. From here in Middle Tennessee, the geographical center of something. Shop Dog Sam. Up here on B Street.